So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeen and you guys are watching Zeen Custom. So today I am going to make a canvas board. इसे बनाने के लिए हम लोग को चाहिए होगा एक कार्डबोर्ड का पीस जो थोड़ा हार्ड होने से अच्छा है एंड हम लोग उसके साथ यूज करने वाले हैं बुकरम। बुकरम आपको कोई भी टेलर शॉप में आपके पास के टेलर शॉप में मिल जाएगा और वो यूज होता है हम लोग के शर्ट के कॉलर के लिए या फिर हाथ के लिए। मैंने वो 2 मीटर का लिया है जो मुझे पड़ा शायद से 70 या 80 का एंड या फिर आप लोग टेलर को जाके पूछ सकते हैं वो लोग कहाँ से लाते हैं, वहाँ से आप लोग को और सस्ता पड़ जाएगा। Make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any further update. Without further delay, let's go.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
For pasting the buckram, I'm going to use Fevicol.
Wherever you're with me, let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
So you guys can see the canvas is done and now we are going to paint it. But first let me tape it up. मैं यहाँ पे बहुत ही सिंपल सा कुछ करने वाला हूँ. You can also easily do it at home. So let's begin.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Before the storm, things aren't as they were before. You best start rising. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us. tree. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not backing down on what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's our revolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please comment down below कि आप लोग को कैसा लगा and give a like. And video के starting में मैं थोड़ा लो था क्योंकि I was not feeling so well, but right now it's alright. And on my next video I'm going to customize this penny bag. आप लोग next video में जरूर आना, जरूर देखना ये वीडियो कैसा होगा. And अगर आप लोग को ये वीडियो पसंद आया, please share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any further update. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Take care. Peace.